Want to make app searches on your Galaxy S25 Ultra faster and more relevant? You can choose which app to include in the search result. For example, if you often need to find your notes quickly, you can also enable the Notes app in the search setting, and it will appear right when you need it. To do so, from your home screen, swipe up to open the app screen. Tap the search bar at the bottom. Tap the three dots icon next to the search bar, and then tap Choose Apps to search in. Here you will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Find and turn on Samsung Note or any app you want result from. To see how it works, tap the back key. Tap the search bar again. Now try searching for a word related to one of your notes. As you can see, the Notes app result will now appear directly in the search given to the function. These settings helps you narrow down what appears when you search from the app screen, so you're not overwhelmed with results you don't need. Perfect for quickly finding notes, messages, or files. So try it and fine-tune your app search experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.